In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to GMGN. By following these steps, you will successfully link your wallet for easy access to your digital assets. Begin by navigating to the GMGN website. Once the page fully loads, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you will find the button labeled Login. Click on this option to initiate the login process. After clicking Login, a new window will appear, presenting you with several options for account access. Look for the option that says Connect Wallet and select it to proceed with the wallet connection. Next, you will see a list of available wallets. From this list, locate and click on Phantom Wallet. This action indicates that you wish to connect specifically using your Phantom wallet. A pop-up window from Phantom will appear, prompting you to approve the connection. Carefully review the information presented to ensure that you are connecting to the correct service. Once you are ready, click on the Connect button within this pop-up to approve the connection. After clicking Connect, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your wallet has been successfully linked. This connection allows you to interact with GMGN using your Phantom wallet seamlessly. Ensure that you monitor any notifications or prompts that may appear during this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.